Hi, welcome to Advantech. I'm Lauren, Product Manager for the Compact IPC series. We are pleased to introduce you to our brand new design of edge computer, the IPC-320, with an industrial-grade design and modern look, which has the potential to reshape your image of an industrial PC. IPC-320 is a compact tower IPC which only takes up 7.7 liters of space and is compatible with the Advantech and B3 series industrial motherboard, providing high-performance computing with the latest Intel Core CPU technology. Maintaining a small footprint brings the benefits of saving precious space in your work area. Moreover, with its exclusive thermal design, IPC-320 provides low noise operation with 34 dB acoustic under 100% workloads. This makes IPC-320 ideal for operators working close to the unit. Traditionally, IPC has been designed to provide a stable control console for factories. Nowadays, IPCs are getting smaller and adapting to the role of edge computing. Advantech has successfully launched the Compact IPC-2 series system. It's perfect for in-cabinet installations where space is limited with its high performance and compact design. It can be widely deployed for machine control and factory automations. The newly launched IPC-320 has the advantage of silent operation and provides both front and rear I/Os. This brings more possibility for a wider range of applications, not just for production line control and industrial manufacturing, but it can also be used in laboratories and in healthcare industry. With the Advantech's industrial-grade design, longevity support, strict product certification service and revision management, as well as worldwide localized support, IPC-320 is an outstanding choice for stable operation control. IPC-320 has two onboard low-profile expansion slots. There's one PCIe by 16 and one PCIe by 4 to extend the system's functionality with low-profile add-on cards, such as frame graver cards, COM cards, or low-profile GPU cards, which can support various applications in various IoT areas. In a nutshell, the brand new IPC-320 is an innovative industrial PC. As a global leader in industrial IoT, Advantech is delivering on ambition to equip IPCs for a wide range of uses in diverse industries. An IPC can be so much more than an equipment control console. Thank you.